Now that you know how to analyze data and compare projects, it's time to turn those insights into reports. Whether you need a quick update for your team or a detailed presentation for a client, Brand24 has several reporting options to fill your needs. Keep in mind that some features depend on your plan, but if you'd like to test any of them, just reach out to our Customer Success Manager. We'll be happy to activate a trial for you. Let's start with email reports. When you set up a new project, these reports are automatically sent to your inbox, but you can adjust the settings at any time.
Go to Email Reports in the left menu to manage them. Here, you can change the recipient. This option is only available if you've added other users to your account. We'll cover user roles in the Account Settings section of this tutorial. You can also decide whether you want daily or weekly reports, or if you'd prefer to turn them off completely for a specific project. If you're focused on online reputation management, enable Storm Alerts. These notify you when there's a sudden spike in mentions or reach, allowing you to act quickly before a crisis escalates. Adjust these settings for each project individually so you only receive the reports that matter to you. Next up, QuickShare Reports. This is the fastest way to generate a report straight from the Mentions tab and share it with anyone, even if they don't have a Brand24 account. This feature is perfect for last-minute meetings when you need insights ASAP. Apply filters, or don't. Click the Generate Report button, and a summary report with key metrics and charts will appear. Just copy the link and share it. Simple and efficient. For more detailed analysis, use PDF reports. These are great for deep dive meetings where you need to present everything that happened in a project over a set time period. To generate one, go to PDF reports in the left menu. Here you can customize the content, remove anything that's not relevant, or for your first report, include all available data to see what's most useful. Now, let's make it your own. You can set the language, choose mentions based on your saved filters or tags, and remember the Add to PDF Report button in the Mentions tab. If you've saved specific mentions, you'll find them in the Quotes section here. Just make sure to tick the Quotes option in Included Data. You can also add your logo, description, and brand colors before clicking Generate Report. Once it's ready, scroll through your first media monitoring report. And remember, each report needs to be customized, or we'll generate a default version.
If you need a PowerPoint report, you can generate it from both the Analysis and Comparison tabs.
Apply your filters, click Export to PPTX, and in seconds, you'll have an editable report ready for presentations.
Moving on to Excel reports.
This one's straightforward. Go to the Mentions tab, apply your filters, and click Excel Report in the left menu. All visible mentions will be exported as raw data, including mention ID, date, title, content, source, domain, category, and sentiment. You'll find the report in your Downloads folder. This format is perfect for teams that want to do their own analytics using untouched data.
Another quick reporting tool is Infographic Reports.
These work similarly. Just apply filters and date ranges in the Mentions tab, or leave the default settings and click Iconographics in the left menu. You'll get a visual summary of the most important data for the selected period. This is a great option for sharing insights with your team, boss, or clients in a clear and digestible format.
Lastly, there is one more reporting option, AI Insights, but we'll cover that in the next chapter. And that's it! Now you know how to turn your Brand24 insights into actionable reports.